how to fix Roblox connection error and problem reaching servers on Android. This tutorial shows you how to get Roblox connecting properly again. First, check your internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that makes a difference. After that, reopen Roblox and check if the connection error is gone. From here, if it's still showing a connection error, open your Android settings. Scroll down and tap on Connections. At this point, toggle off Wi-Fi and turn it back on. Let me show you. Reconnect to your network and reopen Roblox to check if it's connecting now. From here, if the error is still there, open your Android settings again. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Search for Roblox and tap on it to open the app info page. At this point, tap on Force Stop and confirm. After that, tap on Storage. From there, tap on Clear Cache. Then, reopen Roblox and check if the connection error is resolved. From here, if Roblox is still not connecting, let me show you the next fix. Go back to your Android settings. Scroll down and tap on General Management. Tap on Reset. From there, tap on Reset Network Settings and confirm. This will reset all your Wi-Fi and network configurations. Once done, reconnect to your Wi-Fi and reopen Roblox to check if it's working. At this stage, open the Play Store, search for Roblox, and tap Update if one is available. Then reopen the app and try again. Finally, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears and tap Restart. Once your device is back on, open Roblox and the connection error should be resolved. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix the Roblox connection error, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.